We're back. Nick, Alex, in the kitchen for another casein custard combination.
Yes.
What are we doing today?
This is the dessert of all desserts, the Ferrero Rocher Choc Hazelnut Casein Custard. Very simple, Alex. Very simple, my friend.
I like it.
Casein custard, choc hazelnut. So we're taking 4 rounded scoops. We'll do 2 serves. One for me, one for you.
Oh, we'll go.
We don't like missing out, so we'll do 1 serve
We're
each.
not skimping
so
this
we're
on.
going 4 heaped scoops. So that's giving us 40 grams of powder each. So very close to 30 grams of slow digesting casein or slow digesting protein. Casein protein is the milk protein sourced exclusively from New Zealand. Slow digesting protein with the colostrum added for gut health and immune support. You're gonna love this one, my friend. So quite
Choc
simply,
hazelnut, I'm thinking Nutella.
Yeah,
That's what I've got going
yeah,
on.
Nutella, Ferrero Rocher.
And it's all good.
It's all the good stuff.
It
mate.
is.
It's all the good stuff.
Oh.
Alex, you've done yourself proud.
is
You've
a
done
good
your family
consistency.
proud. You've done well, my friend. You've done very well.
I'm gonna do myself proud now.
Choc hazelnut, casein custard.
Look at that.
That's perfect.
That's
per-
consistency.
that's
Look at
perfect.
that.
That's
Silky,
perfect.
smooth.
Absolutely.
That is gonna be delightful.
So, yeah, look at that casein custard. This is guilt-free, folks. High protein, low sugar, low fat, functional protein with the colostrum for the immune, for the gut health. It's all there. It's all good stuff. And it's even better because it looks like I get the big serve. I get the big serve.
I'm gonna
You're very generous. A generous Englishman. Very, very generous Englishman here.
Oh, hang on, don't speak too soon. I reckon there's more in here.
I reckon you're probably going to end up with more, actually.
All
There
right.
you go.
And
this
I might
does
just
this.
have it out the tub.
This does mix in a bowl with a spoon. It does mix like that, but we are
Yeah, so you can do it in a bowl then, yeah.
with a spoon. It does mix like that, but this is silky and smooth. You like to say, Alex?
Silky smooth.
Silky and smooth.
Just the Zohan to be proud. All right.
Very much so. So you can have it like that. That's
Look at that.
choc hazelnut. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful quality, beautiful flavour, all natural flavours.
But what are we
But-
gonna do?
But
We're gonna top it. It'd be rude not to, wouldn't it?
it would be rude not to. Let's spark it up now. Let's do the number on it.
Well, what we've done is we had some hazelnuts. We ground meal them up through the magic of television. Look at that.
Yes, the magic bullet.
Because
Did a number on them.
we've got to. I mean, if we're gonna do the true hazelnut, we've got to get it in there. Look at that.
Might as well. Might as well.
Now,
I'll do. I'm looking at.
what do you want to go with?
I'm going to go with the Choc Nibs because I want to try
Makes
and
sense.
resemble a big, nasty but high protein, guilt-free Ferrero Rocher.
I'm gonna match you with the Cacao Nibs, and I'm gonna do something extra as well.
I
We're gonna give you
reckon
a few more
you're going to
cocoa
do
nibs.
the coconut.
I am, but I'm also gonna do the strawberries
Oh yes,
because it'd be rude not to.
Yeah,
with
why
them
not?
sat there,
Oh.
fresh, beautiful.
organic.
Yeah, look at that, and I'll put like half on that. I'll make it
sorry.
like, good for the gram, as the kids say these days, isn't it?
Good for the gram. Yes.
the gram. Do
well,
are
you can't eat this because we've got to take a pic for the gram, but I'm going to eat mine.
That's true.
I'm not going to hesitate.
Now you get in there. I'll demolish mine afterwards. Look at that.
Guys, folks,
Tell me how good it is.
That's like a big, nasty, guilt-free Ferrero Rocher that's going to help me recover from today's hard workout.
Yeah.
Outstanding.
Out of 10.
Outstanding. 11.
We.
11. 11 out of 10.
You can do 11 out of 10. You can get more. And I imagine as well that you could, for example, if you wanted to make that, again, it's guilt-free, it's lower calorie, but if you wanted to, I'm a bit of like texture. I would put some toppings on, some granola in there with a bit of crunch.
Granola works.
You know, cereals on the top, just something quick, just a bit of crunch. You know, quite nice, something that I usually like to do
You
as
could
well.
layer it if you wanted to get very creative
Well, I
and
was gonna say, you
put
know,
Jamie Oliver out of business.
that's it.
If you wanted to. But he's a good Englishman, we don't want to do that.
No, plus we're in the gym, you know?
Exactly.
We've got our niche.
This is our space. Folks, enjoy casein custard, guilt-free, high protein dessert.
Give it a go.